Okay, guys, so today I'm going to run through how to use MyFitnessPal app. So, firstly, this is the first page that you will open on. Then you're going to go into your diary, and here is how you will be tracking your food in your diary. So, you're going to click on to remaining. So, we're going to click on that there, and you're going to click on your goal. And say our calories are 2,400, so we're going to change it to 2,400. Now, obviously, we're not going to be on 269 grams of protein. So we are going to click onto the percentages here, and I will have your calories, your carbs, your proteins, and your fats done out. So, for instance, here we're on 300 grams of carbs, so we'll put that at 50%. Might take a bit of a while to jig it around. If you need any help with that, no problem. Then protein, we're going to put you on about, let's just say, 150 grams. This is just for instance. And then your fat is going to be 67% or 67 grams, sorry. So yeah, that's how you're going to add in your calories, how to start off with that. And you can also, if you click onto nutrients there, you can also see your protein, your carbs, fats, sugars, everything all the way down the end. How much you have left, how much more you need to hit, etc., etc. But if you do have any more questions regarding that afterwards, you can let me know. So let's pop in our breakfast. This is just an example, so I'm going to put in some oats. Okay, so let's just say we're going to have 60, or maybe we'll put 80 grams of oats. So for instance, I just put in 60 grams. So you can change it anyways. So click on your grams, Flanavins, perfect. That's the brand you're going with. So you're going to change it here. So it's 60. It goes in percentages, which is a bit annoying, but yeah, or fractions, sorry, percentages. So yeah, we have, see, you can see in the smaller writing, we've 80 grams. So you're going to put in some skimmed milk next. So maybe let's just say 250 grams, 300 grams even, just depending on how you like your oats. But yeah, so here we're going to add in 300 grams of milk. That's probably way too much, but anyways. So 300 grams. Next up, we're going to add in a scoop of vanilla protein. So make sure you're scanning your barcode if you can. If not, putting in the right brand, the correct brand, and making sure we're weighing out our food as well. No guesswork here, please, because then we won't be precise. So then, say we want to add in Nutella. We want to add in 15 grams of Nutella melted on top because yum. So yeah, that's how you do that. That would be our breakfast. This is all just an example. Just so I can show you how to use it. So lunch. Next up, you can also save your meals, add recipes, and add foods. So here I'm going to click on a meal that I have made up already, for instance. So I'm going to choose my chili and rice, which I have all there, and you can see the grams. So literally bing, bang, bosh, press it, and that's it. You have all the grams, so you don't need to do it out every time. So every time you're having a meal often, save the meal, please. So then you can go back onto your nutrients and check out what you have left to hit for the rest of the day. I do recommend planning out what you're going to eat in advance. So next up, we're going to have our dinner. Let's just say we're going to have some lean mince. Let's just say we're going to have 150 grams. Then we're going to have some pasta. Let's just say we're going to have, pasta. You're going to weigh that out raw if it says raw. I recommend to weigh everything out raw. So yeah, we have 100 grams of pasta. Then you can see me here not knowing how to spell dolmios, so I just type in pasta sauce. So yeah, pasta sauce. Make sure you have the right brand. You can also scan the barcode, which is absolutely no problem. It actually works quite easy, but I think now with the new update, you need to pay for it. So hopefully not. But yeah, so you put in your pasta sauce. We're going to go at 133 grams here. Yeah, so that is our dinner. Then snacks you can also add in. So next up, I'm actually going to add in, usually for my snacks in the nighttime, I have a yogurt bowl. So I also have that saved. I always have the same thing. If you want to change it up, all you need to do is change it. Nutrients, you can see what you have left to hit for the rest of the day, your proteins, your carbs, your fats. So next up, you're going to go into the settings. And now this is so I can see what we're doing. So I want you to go into settings, and then I want you to go into diary settings. And then from there, you're going to click on friends only. So we can be friends, and I can see what foods you're eating, if you need any help, etc., etc. And then next up, lastly, you're just going to send me over a screenshot of your MyFitnessPal name so we can become friends. But yeah, I hope this video was useful. And if you have any more questions at all, please don't be afraid to ask.